Learn today. Hi everyone, today we are going to look at the topic plants. Let us look at some questions on the topic plants for grade 2, class 2. Topics covered: types of plants, parts of a plant, food and things we get from plants. Question number 1. What is the characteristic of the plant shown? Options are: option A, the plant is small with soft stem. Option B, the plant has weak stem and it grows along the ground. Option C, the plant is small with woody stem. Option D, the plant has weak stem and needs support to grow upright. The answer is: the plant has weak stem and it grows along the ground. It is a pumpkin. It is a small bushy plant with hard stem and branches. We get soft fiber from it which is used for stuffing pillows. Identify the plant. The options are: option A, jute plant, option B, cotton plant, option C, coconut plant, option D, money plant. The answer is cotton plant. Cotton plant produces soft fibers, jute and coconut produce rough fibers, while money plant does not produce fibers. How is a young plant different from an adult plant? The options are: option A, the adult plant has roots but the young plant does not. Option B, the adult plant has a stem but the young plant does not. Option C, the adult plant has flowers but the young plant does not. Option D, the adult plant does not need air but the young plant does. The answer is option C, the adult plant has flowers but the young plant does not. Option A and B are wrong because both adult plant as well as young plant, they have root and stem. And both plants, whether adult plant or young plant, they need air right from the beginning of life. We get gum from the dash tree. The options are: option A, acacia, option B, bamboo, option C, oak, option D, jasmine. The answer is acacia. Acacia is also called as kikar. Gum is made from the juice of acacia or kikar tree. The stem pulp of the plant shown here is used to make dash. Options are: option A, rubber, option B, paper, option C, gum, option D, oil. The answer is option B, paper. The plant shown here is bamboo plant. The pulp of its stem is used to make paper. Select the odd one out based on the edible part. The options are: option A, yam, option B, cabbage, option C, lettuce, option D, mint. The answer is option A, yam. We eat stem of yam while we eat green leaves of cabbage, lettuce and mint. What will happen to a plant if we remove all the leaves from it? Options are: option A, it will stop making food, option B, it cannot stand upright on the ground, option C, it will stop absorbing nutrients and water from the soil, option D, it will stop transporting food and water to all other parts. The answer is option A, it will stop making food. The reason is leaves are called food factories of the plant because they make food for the plant. Roots anchor the plant to soil and absorb nutrients and water from the soil. Stems are responsible for transporting food and water to all parts of the plant. Select the incorrect statement out of the following. Option A, rubber is made from stem juice of a shrub. Option B, sugar is made from stem juice of a grass. Option C, mustard oil is obtained from seeds of a herb. Option D, paper is made from stem pulp of a tree. The answer is rubber is made from stem juice of a shrub. Rubber is made from stem juice of the rubber plant, which is a tree and not a shrub. Study the chart and fill the empty spaces D and E. Option A, cinnamon and neem. Option B, tulsi and guava. Option C, clove and mustard. Option D, cardamom and almond. The answer is option C, clove and mustard. Clove and mustard are medicinal plants that are also used as spices. Study the figure. Identify X and Y. Options are option A, X, mustard, Y, sunflower. Option B, X, sunflower, Y, groundnut. Option C, X, coconut, Y, sunflower. Option D, X, groundnut, Y, mustard. We can see from the figure that X is a plant with trunk and it is a plant from which we get oil. And Y is a plant from which we get oil and it is a small plant with soft stem. So the answer is option C, X, coconut, Y, sunflower. Coconut is a plant with trunk. That means it is a tree. We get coconut oil from it. Sunflower is a herb with soft stem. And we also get oil from sunflower. Mustard and groundnut also produce oil, but they are not trees. They are herbs. The plant part that is eaten in radish is dash. The options are option A, root, option B, stem, option C, flower, option D, fruit. The answer is root. We eat the root part of radish. The figure shows a plant with its parts labeled as P, Q, R and S. Which of the following is correct? Option A, we eat R of groundnut. Option B, we eat P of broccoli. Option C, we eat S of cabbage. Option D, we eat Q of potato. The answer is we eat P of broccoli. In the given figure, PQRS represents flower, leaf, stem and root. Broccoli and cauliflower are edible flowers. Groundnut is an edible seed. Cabbage is edible leaf and potato is an edible stem. Select the odd one out. Option A, pumpkin. Option B, strawberry. Option C, watermelon. Option D, money plant. The answer is option D, money plant. Pumpkin, strawberry, watermelon are creepers. Money plant is a climber. Strawberry, sweet potato, pumpkin are all examples of dash. Options are option A, herbs, option B, climbers, option C, creepers, option D, shrubs. The answer is creepers. Strawberry, sweet potato, pumpkin are all examples of creepers. What are the similarities between the plants bearing the flowers as shown? They have weak stems, they have woody stems, they produce seeds, they grow along the ground. Option A and B only. Option B, A and D only. Option C, B and C only. Option D, A, B and C only. The answer is B and C only. The flowers shown are of rose and China rose. Both the plants are shrubs, so they have woody stems. Both the plants bear flowers, so they produce seeds also. Select the odd one out. Option A, beans. Option B, money plant. Option C, cucumber. Option D, strawberry. The answer is strawberry. Strawberry is a creeper, whereas beans, money plant and cucumber are climbers. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel Learn Today.